tarpaulin printing, a big business here. Also, people buy these vinyl tarpaulins. You can see them in the wind.
Especially when there's hurricanes.
Oh yeah, and I
they
bet
all blew away, man.
Yeah.
Every single one of them.
they all blew away very, very quickly the other day. It's like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, right?
Yeah. Like,
And when we get out in the morning, you saw the video. There's all these tarpaulins were gone. But look at it. You know, you see that big one there. They already replaced most of it.
yeah, they're quick.
And these things are cheap. You know, you buy these tarpaulins, right, in 4 colors for roughly, the print cost is roughly 20 pesos a square foot.
That's cheap.
Yeah, so it's not very expensive. But I'm all right. So there you have Bible house. Is that a church or what is it?
They sell Bibles.
Or are they selling books, Bibles maybe?
Bibles, yeah.
That's an interesting concept. Have a store that only sells Bibles.
Well, yeah, but then there's a variety of them. You know, all sorts of flavors.
All flavors.
All sorts of flavors.
Yeah, so we're going to go up to the Marina arcade today and show you around there a little bit.
We're coming up on the market.
Yeah, back here, down the road a little bit, there's a pretty decent market if you go there in the morning. I wouldn't go there in the afternoon, but
No, especially when it's nice and hot.
nice and hot. The meat is cooked.
Halfway cooked.
Meat is halfway cooked, tenderized.
Yeah, tenderized by the flies too.
Yeah. And you know, if anybody has seen the scientific video how they created the flies and what they eat and how they eat it,
Yeah.
nobody will eat that meat. I guarantee you. It doesn't matter how much you
It
cook.
reminded me of it.
Yeah,
They regurgitate whatever it is, and then that's awful.
it doesn't matter.
I created my own hell.
Right. It doesn't matter how you cook it, actually. Just the thought of a fly, they have a saliva, and they spit it out, right? So it dissolves the meat, and then they eat it.
Lovely.
All right, so they call it Wet and Dry PH Supermart over there. That
Go
is.
through the market and then go out the other side of the market.
Yeah, we can do that. We can go right through. Go right through the market. Let's cross over here. Let's cross over here. There is absolutely no lack. There's absolutely no lack of food. I think what the lack is
Quality.
well, yeah, to some extent.
Paying attention to details, you know.
Lately, like tomatoes has been kind of a bad quality. Yeah.
Ginger, onion.
Potatoes has generally been pretty decent
The garlic
quality.
has been good. The onions have been good.
Yeah, and you know, you have these potatoes. They're nice. I mean, I even like these. They're sometimes better than some of the Swedish potatoes. So, and yeah, and then you have onions and garlic.
The quality of the tomatoes has gone down. Though.
Yeah, I guess it's at the end of this. Yeah, it's the crop, and you see it all here. So there's variety stores everywhere here. So They're selling masks. They're selling a little bit of everything. So let's just walk in here, and we're just gonna walk right through here into the meat market. It's all right, guys. How you doing? Doing good? Yeah. All right, so now we're coming in here, and we're coming into the meat market. So it's a pretty decent sized market, and quality is pretty good. Like I said, come here early in the morning, like 6, 7 o'clock.
Even at this hour.
Right. Yeah. So that. Not today, but I'll be back a little bit later, maybe tomorrow. All right. I'll come back in the morning. So we're gonna head down this way and get out on the other side of this whole thing. So here you can buy a little bit of everything, cups, one-time use cups, glasses, barbecue sticks, plastic bags. So it's like a place for where stores are actually coming buying here for bags, plastic bags and things for their customers. Sorry, stores. So you have variety of stores all over the place here. So we're going to go down this way. Let's go down this way and have a look. Honda Beat. That was my first bike.
What?
So that was a Honda Beat right there. So.
For toys for children, you're thinking for toys for big boys.
Yeah, toys for boys?
Toys for boys.
Yeah. I look for toys for boys. I don't want. And here you got another place where they have rice and hello. Huh? What are you selling? Oh, you're a shoemaker?
No.
You repair shoes?
No, I sell on.
Oh, you sell? Okay. Okay. We're just taking a walk down this way. So. Oh, okay. You mean art? Yeah, it's actually pretty nice. Who is the artist?
The artist, that one. The black one.
The black one?
Yeah.
He's the artist?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool actually. Right?
Inside.
Yeah,
Roll it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it today because I'm carrying a camera. I can't do it. No. Not today. I live around the corner. I go by here every day almost. I just never saw anything here. So.
Endangered species.
Yeah. That sea turtle.
Better to have it right now.
Yeah, it's endangered.
Before they will disappear.
I understand. I was actually down in Morong, where they have the sea turtles.
Yeah.
You been there? It's interesting. So, what else do you got in here?
You got it. You can go.
All right. It's a little dark, but yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. I don't know if I can get it.
That's a USS HMS. HMS.
Is that? Yeah. Is it? So you have a few in here. Nice sea motifs. Pretty interesting. It's very dark in here, guys, but. So he is the artist, and yeah, well, we'll come by.
There's many more in the back shop.
Where's your shop?
Yeah.
Where's your shop? You have one? All right, let's go and have a look. We can show it for you. Right. We can show it for you. Yeah. All right, so unexpected. But we're coming down this way. He has a shop down here apparently.
Just watch your stuff, man.
Yeah. So let's go down here and see what he got. Oh yeah, okay, here you go. Here you go. So you do all these?
Yes, yes. I have a students. Then sometimes
student.
when they throw, I'll give them a quality control.
All right. So you are not necessarily always the artist, but you, the one that's you, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you sign. If you see the sign there, guys, that's what it is. Yeah. Interesting motives. I don't know if I can get that, but I think I can get it.
Countryside in the Philippines.
The countryside in the Philippines.
Yes, that's in Pangasinan.
Okay. That's cool. That's cool. All right, so I'm not in a buying mood today. We're doing our vlogs, but we'll come by. You know, it's interesting. Right? You do some abstracts. Yeah, it's hard to. Yeah. There you go.
Ilocos Sur.
Oh, okay. Ilocos. Yeah. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Right. They're a pair. Yeah. That one there. All right. Yeah, you had a bigger one there. I saw a bigger roach. We don't wanna. We don't wanna lean that there. Yeah, that's
That's a nice.
yeah, it's a nice painting. Nice.
So maybe you can promote me.
Yeah, I will definitely do that.
Then I'll give you a free painting.
Here's what you do. This video is gonna be out today, sometimes later in the afternoon, evening.
Okay, I'll watch in Facebook.
Yeah, YouTube.
YouTube,
All right.
Our Life in the Philippines.
Remember?
Oh, yes. I did that.
You have seen it?
I've seen it.
Right? All right, you go there, you find it. What you do, make a comment. This is going to be in the video. Make a comment on it
Then you will like
and put your phone number there.
Okay.
Put your phone number there.
Okay.
And then, yeah. All right.
That's Our Life in the Philippines, right?
Our Life.
That's
the
blog,
blog.
right?
Yeah, Our Life in the Philippines. All right, so we'll head out this way. All right, thank you. All right, so this has been a little walk around here in DAU. That was interesting to see this guy. Well, that'd be a wrap for now, and thank you for watching, and we'll continue to walk, so that'll be the next video. Come on back and see us. Don't forget our live feeds, Thursday and Sunday, 9:15 a.m. Philippine time. God bless. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.